Oh wow, Luigi, I just can't believe it. You bought a camera. I just can't believe we had this much to buy one. I know. Now we can do YouTube videos. Ooh, sounds magic-y. Ooh, cool. How do you work it? I don't know. We just bought it. Actually, no, we didn't buy it. I actually got it for her birthday. It was an early birthday present. Yeah, she has to use it for her vacation. So yeah, let's go look at it. Okay, we got the hookup. Oh, let's see if we can turn it off. I guess we have to close it. That sounds cool. Whoa. Well, we might as well put it up. No, Mario. What? Let's watch the videos that Ashley made. Okay, whoa. Well, she was gonna put them on YouTube. Why would we? Cause you know she just made them. Come on. Please, Mario. No. Please. No, Luigi. We can see it on her YouTube. Please. No! Luigi, do you want your butt to be kicked out of this house and you won't be able to go in it? Not even go in the toilet. No. Then quit asking. If you quit asking, then you'll be able to, I guess. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Okay, Mario. Well, what do you think we should do since we have a camera? I don't know. We can take pictures. Oh, yeah! Ashley. Yes, guys? Can you take a picture of us on your video camera? Oh, sure. Okay, guys. Let me just turn it on. Woohoo! It's not that special, guys. Whoa. Okay. Come on. Pose. Okay. Wow! I have to zoom. Ready? Smile. Okay, we got it. Yeah, I just can't wait to do this. Okay, well, see you guys later. Okay, Ashley. Hey guys, we forgot about Atkins. Oh, Peach, we just took a picture with Ashley's new video camera. Oh, that's nice. Well, can I hang out with you guys? Oh, sure. Thanks. Hello, guys. Oh, great. You know what I just found out, Mario? What? Mario is actually the version of you, but it's different, and Luigi is the same one, but you know, someone copied us, okay? Oh, you guys know about that? Yeah. I just figured it out. I just figured it out. No, I just figured it out for you. Who cares? Oh, hey guys, should I, close the door? Should I? Oh, sure. Alright, guys. Is it okay? Yeah, sure. Okay. okay. You guys are gonna love it.
You're fresh, oh yeah. And I'm digging the way you dress. You're my baby, baby, baby.
Ooh, I love this
You're a
song.
dime, that's right. And oh my God, you're fine. 'Cause you're my baby, baby, baby. So step up into the highest heels, and you'll see. Let your glamour kill. Mixed with our tiny hands, right? Spread our wings and fly. Bless our lives become so bright. Oh, favor the sun with your GK on. That's my baby, baby, baby. Let's think of a happier thought, so we won't grow up. You'll be my one and only baby. A step up from being overwhelmed by your love and how your glamour kills. With our tiny hands, right? Spread our wings and fly. Let our lives become so bright.
Wow, Mario, that was a tribute of us. Yep, it's too short. Well, I didn't have that much pictures, so yeah. I'll make a bigger one, guys. Okay. Oops, see you guys next time. Wahoo!